how to install a third fan for your old Mac Pro. Hello mga ka-techie. So I'll be showing you how to install a third fan for your old Mac Pro. So as you can see here, so it's very easy. Push that. Alright, so this is it. It's an internal cooling fan, so which I bought from Shopee, and it's only cost $780 in Shopee plus shipping. So I have installed it last year in my old MacBook. So I bought a 240GB NVMe SSD aside from this one. So kagandahan po dito ay meron kayong third fan.
Oh my God! Wow!
Aside from the existing two fans, if you're having an old MacBook Pro, wow, an additional fan, so that would be 3 fans for old MacBook Pros. That is models 2008, 2012. It's only for those who have an ODD or an optical disc drive. Ayan, so ang gagawin nyo lang po dito ay, let me annotate it, draw. So pag nabili po nyo ito, tatanggalin nyo lang ay this one. So you have to remove this one through using a hot knife kasi hindi talaga siya fix na sinsakto. So dito ilalagay po yung NVMe SSD. So meron siyang, of course, yan, meron siyang kasamang tools, okay, in which you're going to use to screw it down sa MacBook. But I advise, in my experience, I have to remove this part kasi it doesn't fit with my old MacBook Pro back then. I've used it in a 2008 MacBook. Okay, so I think that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Click, comment, subscribe, and share.